Hello everyone! I am not Teacher Miguel. Today I am Michael the teddy bear. And this is my friend White Teddy Bear. Look! My other friends, Mia the monkey, Polly the parrot, Freddy the frog, and Brujilda. Today we are going to read a book. Leeremos un libro. Yes! But before we start, we're going to listen to a song. Everybody!
Every day.
I
go to school.
I go to school.
I meet my friends.
I meet my friends.
And we all say.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm good. I'm great. How about you? How about you? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm good. I'm great. How about you? How about you? La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, every day, I go and play. I meet new friends. And we all say. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play? La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey.
Alright! The name of the book is Moving Day, el día de la mudanza, written by Lily Jones. Yes, Lily Jones. Alright, let's start reading. Alright? Pay attention.
We are moving. The moving truck is coming soon.
Nos movemos, nos vamos a cambiar. The moving truck is coming soon. Ya viene el camión.
I have to pack up all of my things.
Tenemos que empacar todas nuestras cosas. Alright, pongamos atención aquí. Pongan atención al puntero. What is it? What is it? Is it a robot? Is it a robot? No, it isn't. It's a teddy bear, like me. Yes, we're brothers. What is it now? Pay attention to this. Is it a teddy bear? No, it isn't. It's a doll. Very, very good. Let's continue.
Where should I put my books? I'll pack them in a box.
¿Dónde ponemos nuestros libros? Where should I put my books? I'll put them in a box. Los pondremos en una caja.
I need to pack up my blocks too. I'll put them in a bin.
Oh, los blocks. Blocks are toys. These are blocks and blocks are toys. Very good. Look at this. Pay attention.
Where should I put my trucks? I'll make a box just for them.
Is it a truck? Is it a truck? Yes, it is. How many trucks? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 trucks. Excellent job. Very, very good. Let's continue reading. Sigamos leyendo.
I can't forget my balls. I'll play with them at my new house.
Oh, is it a balloon? Look at this. Is it a balloon? No, it isn't. It's a ball. Very good. How many balls? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hasta ahí vamos súper bien. Vamos a agregar unos numeritos más. Pongan atención. 7, 8, 8, and 9. Repitamos todos. 9 balls. Very, very good job.
Where should I put my dolls? I'll pack them in a little case.
Oh my God. Is it a doll? Is it a doll? Huh?
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes it is. It's a doll. How many? How many dolls? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 dolls. Very good. Very, very good job. Continuamos leyendo.
I can't forget my animals. They are so soft.
Oh, my stuffed animals. Look, there is a teddy bear, like me. It's my brother. How many stuffed animals do you see? How many animals? Let's count together. 1 teddy bear, 2 animals, 3 animals, 4 animals, and 5 animals. 5 stuffed animals. 5 peluches. Very good.
Where should I put my clothes? I'll pack them in a suitcase.
Where should I put my clothes? ¿Dónde pongo mi ropa? I'll pack them in a suitcase. En una maleta. Yes, very, very good. Ponga atención aquí.
I'll pack all my best toys last.
Look at the toys. How many toys do you see? How many? ¿Cuántos vemos? A lot. Muchos tenemos. Contemos todos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 toys. Very good job.
I can't wait to be in my new house.
Oh, my new house, mi casa nueva. Yes, no puedo esperar.
The end.
The end. Y ahora, para despedirnos, escucharemos una canción. So, let's listen to a song. Espero que hayan disfrutado el libro y hayan respondido todas las preguntas. Alright? Say bye-bye, white teddy bear. Bye-bye. Be good. Stay home. Sayonara. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye.